Okay, so I want to show you how easy it is to make a card with Cricut Joy. So I've got my Joy and I've also got my card mat. And I'm going to be using this pack of Cricut insert cards. Now these are cards ready made for Joy. You've got the envelopes, you've got the pre-folded cards themselves, like so, and you've also got the insert, which is what makes this whole system really quick and easy. Now you can mix and match the insert cards so that you've got all the colours that you want, or pick a pack. They've all got complementary colours, so you don't have to make any decisions. I've gone for this lovely cream and gold set. So I'm going to grab my card and pop it into my card mat. Now when your card mat arrives, it has a clear plastic film on the mat to protect the stick. Make sure you remove that every time you cut, but make sure you pop it back on to protect your card mat from any dust and bits like that. So we'll take that off and place it to the side. And then we need to load our card into our mat. So you'll see with the card mat, it's got kind of a sleeve, if you like. It's got two pieces. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop the back of our card, the piece that you'd write your message on, we're going to slide that in to the card, and we're going to make sure our card is pushed fully up to the top. And then we're going to fold our card over. So you shouldn't have any gap at the top here. And then you're going to make sure that's really well stuck down. So you can see now I've just got the top of the card on the top of the mat. The other piece is folded in there. So now I'm ready to cut into the top here. So I can load my card mat into my machine. Now I've told it what I'd like. Now I've told Cricut Design Space which design I'd like to cut. You can of course make your own designs, or there's loads of designed cards that are ready to go for all different occasions. So you've got some to pick from when you've got no inspiration, or of course you can make your own. Now I'm also going to be using the pen for this design, so I'm actually going to pop that in the machine first before I cut. So I'm just going to open the clasp here, take out the blade, pop in the pen, and then close the clasp there. And now that's ready to draw. Okay, so let's load the card mat in. We just push it in and Joy will take it. And now on our device we can click go. And the machine is going to start drawing our design. I love watching it do this, it's so fascinating. We've actually got a mixture of writing and drawing happening in this design. Okay, my machine has finished drawing, so now I'm going to switch back in the blade. So again, just open the clamp, lift up the pen, drop the blade in there and close the clamp. And now I'm ready to press go again on my device. And we're going to start cutting. So this is a lovely design with a lion on, and it actually says, "You're cute and I lion," which I love. I think that's so funny. I think it's a really cute card, maybe for a new baby, or just a little one's birthday, something like that, or even for someone you fancy. I've been using my Joy a lot lately to send out happy mail. I even sent some pre-made cards to my nan so that she can send them out herself. Okay, so that's finished cutting. Let's remove it from the machine. So click on load, there we go. And now all we need to do is peel it back from the card mat, and that will leave behind all of the bits that has that have been cut. So just carefully peel back. Use your spatula tool to help you if there's any delicate little bits. Okay, so you can see there's my design. I've got a few bits clinging on, just like they do with die cutting, so just grab those out. You can even use your weeding tool to poke them out. Okay, so there's my design, and all I need to do now is just pop in my insert card. So the machine has cut these 4 handy corners for me to just slide the card into, like so. And now there you can see my beautiful card. I've got writing on there, and now I've got this lovely drop shadow effect too. Imagine how great this machine will be for all of your aperture cards, but also for your paper piecing, because you could also use all of the little bits stuck on there for another project. And now all I need to do is write in my little note to somebody, pop it in an envelope and pop it in the post. And that's how you use the card mat and the Joy to make a lovely card.